I'm gonna start this with a heartache. How many of you have ever dated someone great, but realized you just wanted different futures? That's like setting up a franchise without room for expansion. It's great now, but what about when you want more? Welcome back to ECMP Studios. I'm Amit Grover, and today we are exploring why planning for future growth and scalability is vital for your franchise's success. Now, just as in a relationship, in business, it's essential to think about where you want to be in the future, not just where you are today. When setting up a franchise, scalability should be at the forefront of your strategy. Now, this means choosing a location and a business model that not only works today, but can adapt and expand as market demands and your ambition grows. Here's how you can plan for growth. Number one, space considerations. Ensure your location has the potential for physical expansion or can handle increased customer traffic. Number two, market potential. Analyze market trends and consumer behaviors to ensure there's a future demand for more of your product or services. Number three, operational scalability. Set up operational processes that are efficient and can be scaled up without a drop in service quality. Now, why does this matter? Why should you care? Without room to grow, your business might hit a ceiling sooner than you would like. Planning for scalability ensures that as your business grows, your infrastructure can keep up, preventing bottlenecks and lost opportunities. Consider this. Are your current business decisions limiting your future options? Well, in that case, call us. This is the type of stuff we help with. Next, we will delve into a topic that many overlook, but can have significant legal and operational impacts: zoning and regulatory compliance. It's not just about finding the right spot, it's about making sure that spot is legally compliant for your business needs. But for now, ask yourself, are you building a business with the future in mind, or are you just focusing on immediate gains? Leave a comment below with your experiences or plans for scaling your business. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more insightful content from ECMP Studios. For tailored advice or even more detailed questions about planning, contact us at ECMP. We are here to help you ensure your business is set for success, now and in the future. And remember, let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay